Welcome to the Revel Systems employee page. Here you'll see all your employees listed if you have any, and here you will be able to add an employee. Now, if you want to add an employee, I go ahead and click Add. I fill in the person's name of the employee, fill in their last name, whatever it may be, and their email address if they have one. Phone number is not required, but highly recommended you fill it in because we are integrating a lot of features that will be using the phone number to text message alerts. PIN that you want that person to have, it cannot be the same PIN as someone else's. You have to put a start date in, and you have to do a department, and then you create it. And that's all the fields that you have to do. The other fields are optional. What does it mean? If you have an employee ID internally, you can fill it in. These are two fields that you can fill in for internal use. Your ending date, employee card, if you want to use a swipe card to log into the point of sale instead of your PIN code, you can get a card to swipe in. And of course a picture. Once I hit create, it'll go ahead and create the user, and then it'll tell me which roles do I want this user to be using. The roles means what kind of access they will have on the iPad. So the PIN allows them to log into the iPad, and then when they clock in, they get to be paid a certain amount. So you click on a role, they're going to be a manager, and they get paid $22 an hour. I fill it in. They're also going to be a bartender. While they're doing a bartender, they'll only get paid $10 an hour. So they can do multiple roles, and when they clock in, they'll get prompted for which role are they working. I hit save, and now that user is created, and they're in the system. They're a bartender and a manager. And if I make a mistake or I want to change something, I can just click on the Actions button, and it lets me fill in all the different things. Now, web access. If you want them to have access to this backend portal, you're going to have to fill in their name, username, their password, and then a password recovery email address to recover the password if they ever forget it, to fill that in. The web permissions, advanced, we will go into this later in the advanced video. Just know for now, if you want them to have access to the backend, you fill in their username, password, and their email. So that's the overall employee area. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.